In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for storing Excel and Word documents. Asana is a powerful tool for project management, and understanding how to efficiently store and retrieve documents can significantly enhance your productivity. So let's dive right in and explore how you can manage your files and attachments effectively within Asana. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Asana. You can do this by opening your web browser and logging into your Asana account. Once you're in, head over to your specific project or task list where you plan to store your documents. This sets the stage for organizing your files in the context of your ongoing projects. Next, you'll need to locate the relevant task where you wish to attach your document. Once you've selected the task, look for the Details section. This is typically found on the right-hand side of the screen when you've clicked into a task. Clicking on Details will expand the task view and provide you with various options, one of which is the ability to manage attachments. Now that you're in the Task Details view, look for the option to attach files. This is usually indicated with a paperclip icon. Click on Attach Files and you'll be presented with different options for adding your documents. You have two main pathways here. You can either upload files directly from your computer, or you can insert links to files stored on various cloud services. If you choose to upload directly from your computer, simply click on the prompt and select the Excel or Word file you wish to attach. This method is straightforward and ensures your file is immediately available within Asana. Alternatively, if your documents are already stored in the cloud, Asana offers integration with several cloud storage services. You can attach files via Google Drive, OneDrive, SharePoint, Box, and Dropbox. Each of these services requires that you paste the link to the file into Asana. Simply copy the shareable link from your cloud service of choice and paste it into the attachment field in Asana. This option is highly efficient when you're collaborating with others, as it keeps files stored in the cloud, ensuring they are always up to date and accessible from anywhere. With your files attached to the relevant tasks, you can now enjoy seamless access to essential documents directly from your project management interface. This integration ensures that all your project materials are organized and readily available, helping you maintain focus and efficiency. And there you have it. You've now learned how to store Excel and Word documents in Asana, enhancing the way you manage your projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips on maximizing your use of Asana.